Hakka风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and we got music from Leaf Yeh or Yeh-ing. This is a song off of her album 迁徙, which kind of means the same thing as the song title, Migration, 迁, and it was inspired by the aftermath of an earthquake, during which Leaf sensed the Earth's power and humankind's vulnerability, and it led her to reflect on that deep connection between the sky, the land, and the people. Migration presents the majestic journey of life as a great migration and capturing our shared journey on this earth. Very beautiful. Let's take a listen.
太过把冲起来，天体年穷点，天灯风太偏怕怕用点当比，演奏彩格格冇聽錯嘅煙風滿山開，係愛大地內位，上來係命啦，現在嘅條路。
这是一首夜影 Leaf 所带来的迁，那收录在他首张客语专辑《迁徙》里面的一首歌，是某日地震后夜影感受到土地的能量释放以及人的渺小和谦卑，于是呢就想起了天地人本是同根生，便写下这首歌给地球的命运之歌，然后来展现出生命本来就是一场大迁徙的壮阔景观。Wow, what a moving song, pun intended there, called Migration 迁 by Leaf Yeh. Thank you for listening. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.